AICC, in conjunction with Board Converting News and Corrugated Today, presents the 2013 Innovator of the Year competition. This year's edition of Innovator of the Year provides AICC box and carton maker members the opportunity to showcase their innovations and technology that benefit the paperboard packaging industry, their communities, and their employees. And now, the 2013 Innovator of the Year finalists. Entry number 1, new ideas for recycling and reusing wastewater, paper, and ink. This innovator is always looking for ways to make better boxes for its customers, but they are also looking to improve how they control their expenses and impact the environment. Their approach touches on 3 major components that are used in the manufacturing process: water, paper, and ink. During the manufacturing process, water gets mixed with inks and other contaminants, so it can't be allowed to just go out with normal wastewater. This company filters the water to take out all the impurities, so it's cleaner than the city water entering the building. This recycled clean water is pumped onto their roof for swamp coolers that keep their plant cooler in the hot months of summer. They also use this filtered water in the plant, at the machines, and other areas as much as possible before it goes down the drain. Recycling scrap from the plant is one thing, but this box maker has also reached out, providing balers to customer locations and setting up partnerships to pick up used boxes, helping to feed our domestic paper supply instead of allowing it to travel overseas. Their approach allows traceability. The recycled material that goes back to the paper mill is used in making paper that will then be turned back into boxes for those same customers who provided the OCC material. This closed-loop system is traceable for those customers who require documentation for Walmart, Costco, and others, earning them extra points on their vendor scorecards. Their closed-loop program makes a difference by keeping recycled boxes in the U.S. This innovator no longer buys ink from suppliers who dictate minimum orders in 5-gallon buckets because these rarely get fully used and properly disposed. Instead, they've installed a state-of-the-art ink kitchen that uses base colors to make every possible color in the right amount for each job. This cuts down on waste as well as the amount of plastic buckets getting thrown away. When there is ink left over from jobs, the innovator blends the leftovers in-house to create a generic color just for BMCs and part numbers. An even more unique approach is that they also utilize a special black ink made using post-consumer inks from printer toner cartridges. This post-consumer ink has exceptional transfer properties, is rich and dense in color, as well as being extremely efficient running through their presses. Water, paper, and ink. This innovative plant manages its resources carefully, saving money and protecting the future. Entry number 2, a process for making a collapsible, fast setup solid bottom corrugated box with double wall end panels. This innovative patent pending process and patented box designs allow users to create stronger, easy to set up boxes while consuming less fiber and increasing the efficiency of the packing operation. Using these patented box designs, boxes can be set up as they are needed, eliminating the time-consuming, cumbersome, and space-robbing processes of pre-building and storing stock boxes. The unique designs also make shipping and handling of the empty boxes fast and easy. The convenient sturdy cube shipping configuration eliminates uneven and unstable pallet loads, and the boxes arrive ready to use. The process is capable of producing a wide range of sizes and shapes that provide many advantages over typical box designs. The solid bottom and double wall end panel design offers greatly increased strength and stackability over standard crash locks, 1-2-3 bottoms, RSCs, and retail ready trays. Boxes may be taped or, depending on design, closed with a quick locking tab for even greater efficiency. And no sharp knives or tools are needed for breakdown. And they can be taken down in a fraction of the time of a standard box. These unique designs have reduced raw material usage by up to 46% in many designs, and have been proven to reduce setup time by 50% over the typical 1-2-3 bottom box, 38% on the typical crash lock equivalent, and by as much as 66% over fold-up designs. The innovation eliminates the time-consuming process of pre-taping, assembling, and storing boxes, minimizes labor required for setup and breakdown, eliminates the capital expense, maintenance, floor space requirements, and operating costs of owning a case former, creates a stronger box while using lighter weight board, is a cost-effective, reusable, returnable carton alternative, and can provide a monthly savings of 15 to 45% over typical box designs. The equipment and box designs may be leased and licensed by box makers or end users. Entry number 3, the math class, educating job candidates and putting America back to work. Problem: this innovator determined that too few potential employees have the basic math and related skills to work in a box plant.
The problem was the workforce was lacking a key element to succeed on the job, and that was a math skill.
Things like being able to properly read a tape measure, add and subtract fractions, even multiply and divide accurately.
If without math, you can't really do anything in a box plant because you need math in order to make a box.
And even while unemployment remains high, it's estimated that over 600,000 manufacturing jobs in America are unfilled. So, this innovative box maker decided to do something about it. Working with their county officials, local business coalition, and a state university, this large box plant helped create an in-house math and skills class for potential employees.
Basic math, adding, subtracting, long division, multiplication, but was also converting fractions to decimals, decimals to fractions, percents.
So the candidates coming out of this class are more ready for the workforce. This class that they go through gets them prepared. They don't get frustrated on the job. They know exactly what to expect because this class has been tailored to the processes in manufacturing.
Start going to this class, take the math class, and they get to know you on a personal level. They get to see if you're on time, how you interact with people, if you're willing to participate, your eagerness.
The twice-a-week, 6-week course is taught by a math instructor provided through the local university. The quality and safety managers from the box maker also work with the students.
My participation is I usually go over the safety of the company, considering that we strive for a safe environment. We don't want anyone to get hurt. Our number one priority is safety, and I'd like to inform people while in the math class, why I'm here and why they're there and what we expect from them from the get-go.
The people that pass the test are great because they have an attention to detail. And as a quality person, that's what I look for too.
The best part? Successful completion of the course results in a job.
We're trying to help them, plus they help us too. To make sure that we have the perfect people to work with us.
Their retention rate is 90%, which is a great number.
By setting out to solve their plant's workforce deficiencies, this innovator is helping to lower local unemployment and create better lives for many in its community.
We have people working, and we have people that are happy working, and that benefits this company. It benefits the county because this has a proven track record of a process, of a class that works.
Changed my life.
And there they are, the 2013 AICC Board Converting News and Corrugated Today Innovator of the Year finalists. Now, it's time to do your part. Carefully consider the entries, complete your ballot, and make your selection for the 2013 Innovator of the Year.